Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about postmortem lividity is used to assess the time since death and position of the body after death. Postmortem lividity is used for time since death and also position of the body after death, and especially in the position of the body if the body is on the back or in supine position, then postmortem lividity is mainly seen. It is not seen on the parts which are directly in contact with the surface. And if the body is in prone position, the postmortem lividity is seen in face and front of the body. If the body is onto one side, then postmortem lividity is seen to the side on which the body is placed. If the body is hanging, then postmortem lividity is seen in the lower limbs or some parts of the upper limbs. That is, it is seen as glove and stocking hypostasis. So postmortem lividity is used to decide the position of the body after death and also time since death. Thank you, and thank you for watching.